Mercedes Benz vehicles are known for their durability and performance, but like any car, they can encounter issues if not properly maintained. Here are some top tips to avoid common faults and keep your Mercedes running smoothly. Regular servicing. Staying on top of regular maintenance is key. Make sure to follow Mercedes' recommended service schedule, which includes oil changes, brake checks, and engine diagnostics. Regular service helps detect and fix minor issues before they become major problems. Check your oil. Low or dirty oil can cause serious engine damage. Regularly check your oil levels and ensure it's clean. Replacing your oil on time is essential for the longevity of your Mercedes engine. Inspect the brake system. The brake system in Mercedes cars is top-notch, but it's crucial to check the brake pads, discs, and fluid regularly. This ensures your vehicle is safe to drive and can prevent more costly repairs in the future. Monitor tire condition and alignment. Worn tires and misaligned wheels can affect your car's handling and performance. Always check tire pressure, rotate your tires, and ensure wheel alignment is done during service. Battery health. A common issue in Mercedes vehicles is battery failure. Checking your battery regularly and replacing it before it dies can save you from being stranded unexpectedly. Transmission care. Transmission issues can be expensive, so it's important to keep an eye on fluid levels and get your gearbox serviced as per Mercedes's recommendations. Signs of a transmission problem include difficulty shifting gears or unusual noises. By following these tips, you can avoid common faults and keep your Mercedes running smoothly for years. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give it a like, and share it with other Mercedes owners.